Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Battery or Device Care. This is where Samsung exposes battery metrics. Once done, make sure you're on Wi-Fi, and if charge is under 20%, plug the phone in so readings stabilize. You'll see an overview that includes usage graphs and power-saving options. This first screen frames what to check next. Don't skip Device Care. It aggregates battery, storage, and performance insights that we'll use to find health details. Now tap Battery and then Battery Usage or More Battery Settings to dig deeper. You want to inspect the battery usage chart and screen on time to see abnormal drain patterns. This explains why capacity might fall. If your model shows battery status or diagnostics, open it to view charge cycles and temperature logs. Make sure to check recent apps using the most power, since heavy background use mimics poor battery health even when capacity is fine. Finish by running Samsung Members Diagnostics or a dedicated battery health check. This returns a percent and flags issues. If reported health is under 80%, consider recalibrating by charging to 100%, then draining to 0% once, and if problems persist, plan a battery replacement. If diagnostics conflict with behavior, restart the phone and boot to safe mode to rule out apps. As a last resort, backup data and factory reset. One tip: avoid high heat while testing, as temperature skews results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.